Okay, hi-oh, 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 it's off to work I go. Anyways, we're parking the van at a new location and yeah, heading to work. I've got 2 days of work this week so far, and I tried coming here early in the day and it's a little bit noisier here because construction. So, but that's where we're parked. Okay, boys and girls, good morning, and it's day number 5 of my Sunday to Sunday week, and this is where we camped out last night. I should show you outside because this is van and RV row. There's a billion of them down the street. You don't see nothing here because they got construction going on. They're building a new building. So, a lot of traffic, meaning it's pretty noisy. However, I slept all the way through it. I went to bed about 8 and woke up around 1, so 9, 10, 11, 1. So I only got 5 hours of sleep. Somebody's yelling. Yeah, nothing. So I got 5 hours of sleep, and that's good enough for now because I have to take the freaking alternator out of this thing. Today's the day that I gotta do that because tomorrow is snow day, another snowstorm coming, which is supposed to turn to rain. So I have to get that done today or I'll be all weekend without an alternator possibly. And since it's beautiful out right now, I opened up all the windows and vents in the van. It is 7 degrees outside, which is 14, which is 45, 46 degrees Fahrenheit. In the van, it's 13.6, which is about 57, 58, I think it says Fahrenheit. So, that is what we got going on. Okay, boys and girls, let's start here. And apparently, campers are okay on the street. So, that is number 1. Number 2 is this big guy. Yeah, this is a fairly large unit. Wow, that one would be hard to find spots. But you know what? It is possible here. So, and if you go down there, more. And how many do we got down here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6 here. And a couple more long ones. So it's 7, 8, 9, 10 on this spot. This guy here's got a pretty neat little step van. It's a truck body. And it's got a wood stove. Or a Dickinson. Yeah, wow. And heavy duty. Huh. That's pretty cool. And another pulled behind dual axle. And this is where I am. This is probably not a good spot for me to be, but for 2 days it's fine. And this is what gives us a bad reputation, and this is what keeps people from allowing us in neighborhoods. And look at this thing. You know what? You can't do this type of stuff. Wow, this is pretty bad. And me, I look pretty bad too. I have to take it for a wash and clean up.
I think my ride's due for an upgrade.
Okay, alternators on old Dodges are so simple to take off. So basically, you got 1 bolt here, 1 bolt here, and 3 connectors on the back. It is that simple. 5 minutes, maybe not even 5 minutes. And voila, less than 5 minutes and it's off. All we got is this 1 wire and the 2 field terminals, and that's it. Doesn't show much signs of burning or anything. However, it is what it is. I guess we'll take it in and I'm gonna get them to test it. And note, this is not a good connection. That could cause a lot of resistance in charging too. But you know what? I tested right to the alternator, so I'm fairly confident this is the issue. So now the plan of attack is to wash my hands and then go to Lordco and see what they say. Okay, there we go, boys and girls. We got a brand new alternator. It's a high quality alternator, cost me 105 bucks. That's with core charge and whatever. I haven't found the bill to honor my warranty. It's somewhere in the van, so I'm gonna have to do a search of that. And then when I take the old alternator back, I will hopefully have no charge on this alternator because it failed after 1 year and 4 months. So that's gonna be our story. Now we can do the install. So okay, day 7 of Sunday to Sunday brings me to this, finally installing the alternator. Nobody said I'm fast, but we're gonna give it a whirl, throw it on, see what happens, hope for the best. If not, it's in the wiring. So and of course it's not exactly snowing, but it was sleet, kind of rain earlier. So oh well, let's continue this and get it done. Okay, I'm about to give it a try, but there's an alarm going off. Oh yeah, look at this. We got fire engines coming, so hold on, just as I'm about to give this a whirl. Yeah, right by the Canadian Tire, where I can get parts. Maybe one of the RVs down there is on fire. Oh my god, who knows? Anyways, let's try this. Come on, toilet, please. Oh, look at that. See, the gauge went up. Oh, there it is. It was the alternator. See? Because now it's reading full charge. So, I didn't have much confidence, but so I wonder why the alternator failed so quickly after a year. So there we go, completed repairs, brand new alternators installed. Yeah, seems to work good at this point. The wiring, I'm not going to touch that for now. We're going to leave it for a couple days and maybe I'll clean it up on the weekend. Like, see, I mentioned this connector. I really don't like that looks of that connector. So we'd like to put a new one in there. So anyways, cheers guys. Hope you have a great weekend and we'll see you next week. And until next week, stay awesome.